Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I am going to show you some of the tips how to propagate the lucky bamboo. So these are the lucky bamboo plants. These are a bit expensive, costly, and so I am going to show you the tips and techniques how to make these branches and these cuttings and make them another bunch, and within 2 months you get another bunch of plants and you get another set. So now I am giving you the tips and techniques how to cut it, how to make it, how to propagate it. So friends, first thing you have to do, so the tools you are using, these C cutters, blades and scissors and this knife, all this you have to sterilize it. You have to sterilize it either with such isopropyl alcohol. You can get it easily from any chemist shop, or from 70% alcohol, ethyl alcohol. You can use any of it, you can use it to sterilize it. So I am showing you, so isopropyl alcohol, just rub it. This is a rubbing alcohol, just rub it, and so that it can sterilize the knives or the C cutters or the cutters or the blades, anything you are using, just sterilize before it so that no infection goes within the plant. So I am showing you how to clear it. So friends, first select the twig that has a side branch, so you can cut it off here. So likewise here you can cut it off all the branches here that is getting out. That bigger one I am cutting and smaller one will stay here only. So this one you will cut it off. So friends, once you cut down the things, you remove these leaves from here. Removing from the base, all the leaves I am removing from here. So making it so that it can be dropped in the water. So I am removing all this from the base. So friends, once you have removed the lower side of the leaves, these are the some bended ones. So bended one, you have to make it straight. So the bend one portion you should cut it off. Bend portions of the leaves should you cut it off, so that this makes the plant straight. So I am making it straight. The bend one portion I am cutting it off here. So all the bended portion of the portion you just cut it off. Once you have cutted all the bended portion here, so these make this one here. So make a bunch at a straight type of bunch. All these make a bunch here. So I am making a bunch, and once you make a bunch of it and make a straight of it, making straight this side of plant straight and using it a girder. So I am here. Here I have made a girder from here. And make it straight. And then use water, clean water. It would be bottled water. If it is a bottled water, it would be nice. So if it is a bottled water, keep it a bottled water and keep it here. So friends, with the leftover bamboo sticks here, you cut here. Have a cut here, straight cut, give it a straight cut, because we have used up here the stem from here. So I am cutting from here only this one. So make it a straight cut from here, because this will not grow from here. So I am making it a straight cut from here. So I am removed all these stems from here. Where from? cut all this. Once you have cut all these heads here, used up that stems here, so put here some wax here, liquid wax, so that for sealing the wax here. If you do not use sealing wax here, that this portion may get infected and may die. So all this wax, and I am getting it melted. So let's get it melted. So friends, I am now melting the wax here. So once it gets melted, so we will be use it on the top of the stems where we have cut. So friends, this is the liquid paraffin, the liquid wax. I am using it. I am using it to seal the wax in the head region where I have made a cut. So this I have put here. So this one is cut here, and I am putting, just make a sealing with this wax. So this one would help you that it would not infect you in any way. So this would be sealing. So friends, my sealing with wax is complete. So now I will make bunch of it. This one is bigger one. I will make one big from here, and this one is smaller one. I will make one big bunch here, and another I have already done. So now I will put it only in bunch in water. So simply in water, I am giving it in water. So friends, once your head waxing is ready, complete, you make it a garter with, seal with a garter. So I am making it a bunch. So once it is ready, so put it in a vial with water here. So place it here. Now this one is bigger one. So I have also waxed it here totally. Now I am making it another bunch. So within 1 month, you will see that new shoots are coming out from here. So from here, new shoots will come out from this place. So within 1 month, new shoots will come out from here. So I am putting one here only. This one here already roots are here. Here already roots are here, and here new roots will come out from here. So you have already made 3 bunches. So this one is process is totally complete. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to fertilize it anyway. Just do it in hydroponically, that is use only in water. So this one is the method totally I have done. Friends, the process is complete. If you like my video, so please press the like button. If you like to share with your friends, near and dear ones, you can share it. And if you at all if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, and I will give you lots of interesting videos day by day. And thank you very much. Thank you for being